Hello guys, you're welcome to Dubem's kitchen. Guys, in today's video I'm going to share with you how I made this mouth-watering delicious yummy soup known as Ogbono soup, and if you know, that is draw soup. Guys, I'm sharing with you because this one need to share with you guys. So without wasting time, let's jump into the cooking now. Here are the recipes: red oil, dried fish blended with crayfish. Yes, that's what it is. Just blend it together. Here, bitter leaf, washed bitter leaf. This is Ogbono. That's to make the draw soup. I will as well blend it also. Yes, my blended pepper, salt to taste, Ogbono. Yeah, that is Ogbono. And here is uziza. Guys, it's supposed to be fresh leaf uziza, but uziza seed, but I don't have the leaf, so I have to go on with seed. I will blend it together with the ogiri. Here is my mackerel fish. Yeah, that is the one that I'm going to use. Italian's mackerel fish already made. That is how they wrote it, pronto da mackerel fish. They have already made it. So as well, my meat and stock fish is already on the fire cooking. So now I've already cooked it with 1 ball of onion and seasoning cube with salt to taste, a bit salt to taste, with some small pepper. So I use dry pepper in this recipe, not fresh pepper, not scotch bonnet, but dried one. Our native pepper, there is how it normally looks like. So that is what I use in this recipe. So after 10 minutes, I add my little dry fish. I've blended some with crayfish, so I add the little one that I just left to give it some taste. That's what I did. So I'll go ahead and cover it again to cook like 5 minutes before adding other things. So now, after 5 minutes, so I go ahead and pour 2 cups of water inside. Then I put 2 cups of water. I add my red oil. Adding the red oil. So I'm going to cover it now. I'll cover it to allow the 2 of them to parboil together like some minutes. So now look how the face look like. So I'll go ahead and take some inside it. Sorry, I did not show you when I'm turning the Ogbono. So I take like about 3 to 4 spoons to melt the Ogbono. I don't want to fry the Ogbono because I just want to cook it neutral way, because I hate frying something. So I use it to stir it to avoid getting lumps. That is cocoa. That's what I did. I just used that hot water with the red that's the soup to stir it well. So that is how it's going to look. I use it to blend the ogbono to avoid cocoa or lumps. That is what I did. So guys, go ahead and give it a stir, normal stir. Because I've already blended the ogbono so smoothly, that's why I'm adding everything now. If not, you could have covered it. So I go ahead and add my crayfish and dry fish. I blended them together. That's what I add. So I add my obe and the oziza seeds. So then I give it a stir. Please normally give stir because of to avoid burning. To avoid burning, because once you add the ogbono, you need to be giving it a stir regularly to avoid burning. So now it's time to add my blended pepper, dried one. That's what I use on it. And here now add my bitter leaf. Oh guys, I love bitter leaf with ogbono soup. Guys, if you are one of them that love to use bitter leaf cook ogbono, let me see you in comment section, because me, I'm number one for it. I don't like to use another vegetable to cook ogbono except ugu. But here in Europe, most especially in Italy, to see ugu is very hard for us. So I add my crayfish. Now my crayfish, I pieces it. That's what I'm adding now. Yes guys, so guys, I just want to appreciate you all, most especially my returning subscribers. I say may Almighty God bless you all. And those that's coming across my video for the first time or seeing my video for the first time, I say may God also bless you as you're clicking that button that says subscribe. Subscribe. So I cover it after 5 minutes. I still shake it. I remember I told you to be turning it to avoid burning under. So I need to shake it time to time because I'm going to cook it for 10 minutes. Is this already 5 minutes? Then I have to cover it again for another 5 minutes. Then I use a seasoning cube to season my meat. So after everything, you need to test it to see if it needs another salt or seasoning cube, because mine now I've tested it, is perfect, okay, the way I want it. So guys, here is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Don't forget to click that button that says subscribe. share and like, so you'll be the part of the family. Remember to share, like, comment, and bye.